Hey Raf, Akram here again from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I understand that you're seeing an old page of your old funnel and this your current funnel. So what you want to do is go to the funnel step that's been affected. So let's say in this case you mentioned the thank you page. So go to the thank you page and click on this gear icon here. Click on this gear icon here and you can just take off some things here, maybe put 1, 2, 3, and then scroll down, click on update page. So update the gear icon. After you've done that, click on edit page. You can actually just clear your cache and cookies and test it and see if that worked. But if that doesn't work, then go into the editor like so. And then go into integrations, remove this Aweber integration you have, put HTML form, put existing web form, and click on parse and save web form. This will help you refresh this particular page, and then you click on save. You clear your cache and your cookies, and then you go back, and then you remove this integration you had just created, and you go out and you click on save, and you test it again. After that works, you can go back and then put in your Aweber integration like you want. So do those three things and let me know if that works. Bye for now.